So if f of x equals 16x minus 30, so if f of x equals 16x minus 30, and g of x is 14 minus 6, for which value of x does f minus g of x equals 0? So what I have to do is, this is a composite kind of function, right? Or not a composite function, but this is, I'm putting two functions together, right? I have f minus g of x, right? So f minus g of x means that I have this here, f, so I can say that f minus g of x equals f of x minus g of x, right? So then what I can do here is I can simply sub in 16x minus 30 for f of x, minus 14 minus 14x minus 6, sorry. 14x minus 6, sorry, minus, and this is 14x minus 6 here, right? And you need the brackets here because I'm subtracting all the negative stuff here, right? So this here is 16x minus 30, so I have minus 14x plus 12, right? Because I have my negative 14x here, and then negative and negative here becomes positive 12 here. 16x minus 14x is 2x. I'm collecting like terms. Negative 30 plus 12 here would be negative 18. And then what I'm going to do is I'm going to set it to 0, right? So f minus g of x, set it to 0, right? So I'm going to set this function to 0. So I have here, this here would be f minus g of x. So now I'm going to set this function to 0, right? So let me set this function to 0. So 0 equals 2x minus 18. I can move 18 to the other side, so I'm adding 18 to both sides. I have x 18 equals 2x, and then finally I can divide both sides by 2 and get x equals 9. So this here is my correct answer for this function here. And let's see, 16x minus 30 minus 14x minus 6 here. Did they sub in the problem correctly? F minus g of x, right? Yeah, f minus g of x. 16x minus 14x. Okay, they're grouping it, and I have negative 30 plus 6. Did I do my problem wrong? Oh, why did I have a 12 here? Oh my gosh. This here is negative. This here is positive 6. Sorry. I messed up here. I don't know why. I think I multiplied the function here by 2. So I'm sorry. I don't know why I did that. That's sorry. So my solution here is wrong. So I don't know why I got 12. Like in my head I multiplied by 2. So sorry about that. 16x minus 14x here is 2x. Minus 30 plus 6 here is negative 24. Yes, and then sub in 0 here, 2x minus 24, and then I can add both sides by 24 to get 2x, divide both sides by 2x equals 12. This here is my correct solution. And x here is equal to 12, which is my solution. Again, so I like how they did the negative both sides. I don't know why I put 12 here. That's my fault, sorry. Man, I made the two mistakes already today. It's not that great. That's okay. Math is about correcting myself anyways. So I've 16x minus 14x is 2x minus 24. That's good. Now I can sub in 0 and divide both sides by 12, and I get 12, which is good. So this here is great solution and analysis.